I'm going to show you how to do correlations and t-tests. I'll start with correlations. This is something that even if you don't use a correlation in project 1, you're most likely going to use a correlation in study or in project 2. So I'll show you how to do that here. Generally, we use a correlation when we have two continuous variables. So my hypothesis would be that as age increases, so does ice cream consumption. So the older someone is, the more likely they are to eat a higher number of ice cream cones. So to measure something like this, you click on Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate, and it's pretty easy. You just drag over the variables you want. So age, we'll put this over there, and ice cream consumption, click that over there, and hit OK. The output is pretty simple. You can see over here it will tell you what your Pearson correlation is. So Pearson R correlation is one thing that we call a correlation. So this is negative 0.51. So one thing to note here is that the negative is very meaningful. So that means as age increases, ice cream consumption decreases. So as one goes up, the other goes down. So as age goes up, ice cream consumption goes down. So that's what we can make of that negative sign. We also, where it says sig, two-tailed, sig represents whether or not this is significant. This is also our p-value. So since this is less than 0.05, we know that it's significant. So when you're reporting this in your report, the relevant things two relevant things from this chart that you're going to want to know are the correlation, R equals negative 0.510, and significance is P is equal to 0.001. So that is a correlation.